In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Coinbase business account. Coinbase Tutorial 2025 will walk through the sign-up flow step by step, and I'll share clear tips so you know exactly what to expect. Make sure you're on a secure internet connection and have access to your email and phone before you begin. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Coinbase. Click the official result that uses the secure Coinbase domain and avoid ads or lookalike sites. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up button, usually at the top right, and click it. You'll be asked what kind of account you're creating. Choose the business option that best matches your organization. This ensures your account is set up with the correct features and compliance requirements. You should be an authorized representative of the business, and your region should be supported. Enter your email address. Use an email you can access immediately and that your team trusts for financial tools. When you're ready, click Continue. Coinbase will send you a verification code. Open your inbox, find the message, and enter the code in the prompt. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Codes expire quickly, so complete this step promptly and never share verification codes with anyone. Next, create a password. Choose a strong, unique password with a mix of characters, and consider using a reputable password manager to keep it safe. Click Continue. You'll then enter your first name and last name. Use your legal name as shown on your government ID. For a business account, this should be the individual authorized to open accounts on behalf of the company. Enter your phone number and click Continue. Make sure to select the correct country code from the drop-down so your number formats properly and can receive texts. Keep your phone nearby. Coinbase will text you another verification code. Enter that code to confirm your number. At this point, your account is created. You can now start verifying your identity. Coinbase will guide you through the next steps, which typically include confirming your personal identity and providing business details. Have your government ID ready, along with company information, such as your legal business name, registered address, and any documents Coinbase requests. Verification times can vary, so if you need to pause, you can return to your dashboard and resume when you have everything on hand. That's it for the initial setup. Always sign out on shared devices, keep your credentials secure, and follow Coinbase's prompts to complete business verification so you can access all features confidently.